Joseph Leto is an American actor and singer-songwriter. After starting his career with television appearances in the early 1990s, Leto achieved recognition for his role as Jordan Catalano on the television series My So-Called Life. He made his film debut in How to Make an American Quilt and received critical praise for his performance in Prefontaine. Leto played supporting roles in The Thin Red Line, Fight Club and American Psycho, as well as the lead role in Urban Legend, and earned critical acclaim after portraying heroin addict Harry Goldfarb in Requiem for a Dream. He later began focusing increasingly on his music career, returning to acting with Panic Room, Alexander, Lord of War, Lonely Hearts, Chapter 27, and Mr. Nobody. In 2012, he directed the documentary film Artifact. He then appeared in Suicide Squad and Blade Runner 2049. Leto's performance as a transgender woman in Dallas Buyers Club earned him an Academy Award, a Golden Globe Award, and a Screen Actors Guild Award for Best Supporting Actor. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.